Welcome back to Low Stress Math with Mrs. Bono. We are going to be using the calculator to do scientific notation. First, what buttons do you need for scientific notation? This is times 10 to the n. That's going to automatically give you the exponent. So, for instance, if you were told to change a number from scientific notation into a regular standard number, you would put it in, say, 2.15 times 10 to the n, and you can put either a positive or a negative number in as an exponent. So I'm going to put -3 and see what happens. It automatically turned the number into a standard notation number for me. I could do the same thing and make it a positive exponent. 2.15 times 10 to the n with a +3 is going to give me 2,150. So that's how you change a number from scientific notation into standard notation. Now, anything else with scientific notation is going to be a little bit more difficult. So you need to put it in scientific notation mode. You press the green button. Oh, actually, you don't even need to do that. Let me clear it. I'm going to press the mode button. And you see right now it's in norm. I'm going to go down 1 and over 1 to psi and press enter. Now, anything I put into the calculator is going to be in scientific notation, and the answers will be in scientific notation as well. So let's do addition using scientific notation. 4.1, and again, I'm going to use the same times 10 to the n button. 4.1 times 10 to the n, and the n is going to be 4. And now, in order to add or subtract, I have to get off of the exponent. So now I'm going to add 2.35 times 10 to the n, and the n is going to be 2. And now when I press enter, it's going to automatically add it for me, give me all of the significant digits, that's all the numbers after the decimal point, and it gives me the exponent 4. Do the same thing for subtraction. If you're going to be doing multiplication or division, you need to put parentheses around the number. So let's say I want to multiply two numbers in scientific notation. So I would do parentheses 6.2 times 10 to the n. Again, get off of the exponent using the little circle and put a parenthesis. Now to continue, I could either put another parentheses, because parentheses next to each other mean multiplication, or I could hit the multiplication button. I'm going to use parentheses, because lazy, 5.2, and times 10 to the n, and the n's going to be 5. Get off of the exponent, close the parenthesis, and it does it for you. It multiplies the numbers, and it adds the exponents. All right. Good luck, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.